Today in this video we are going to see how satellites are orbiting our Earth and at which place does the satellites are placed. Before going into the concept, let us know what is satellite. The word satellite was introduced on 16th century. The meaning of word satellite means following an important person. Hence, here a satellite is following the Earth. Satellites are used for communication purpose. Not only communication, it is used for mapping, navigation, Earth observation, including weather monitoring, space research, and many other scientific things. So, currently there are 2,218 satellites orbiting our planet Earth. So, let us see where are these satellites placed and how does it orbit our Earth. So, here we have to know about Newton cannonball experiment. Newton is the main reason for making the satellite orbiting the Earth. Newton's cannonball concept is only used at the present days where the satellite is orbiting the Earth. So Newton's cannonball experiment says that if we inject a cannonball at high speed on space, then the cannonball will move straight where it won't orbit the Earth. So again, if we inject a cannonball applying a small force, it will fall inside the Earth due to gravity. So even at this time, it doesn't rotate the Earth. Again, if we inject a cannonball at a medium speed, at this time the cannonball will start orbiting the Earth. This concept was only the imaginary, and today by this concept the satellite is orbiting the Earth. Okay, now let us enter into the topic. These satellites must be placed in the distance about 321 kilometers. At this distance, there will be no atmosphere and gravity present. So if you place the satellite at this point, it will not be affected by gravity and it will be placed in space without falling down. Next, let us see what is the procedure for satellites orbiting the Earth. Let us consider Hubble Space Telescope. Hubble Space Telescope is placed at 568 km in distance and its orbiting speed is at 8 km per second. If the speed is less than 8 km or above 8 km, it will fall down into the Earth. So to avoid from falling, Hubble Space Telescope must orbit at 8 km per second. Hubble Space Telescope takes 97 minutes to orbit our Earth. Next, let us see what are the different positions that the satellites are placed. There are three different categories where the satellites are placed orbiting the Earth. They are LEO, GEO and MEO. First, let us see about LEO. LEO means low Earth orbit. This orbit is placed at 200 to 2000 kilometers from above the Earth's surface. If a satellite is placed in this place, then it is called as LEO satellites. These satellites take 86 to 127 minutes to orbit the Earth at one rotation. To avoid the satellites from falling down to space, the LEO satellites must travel at 8.74 km to 6.9 km per second. So then, the satellites which are placed at this point will orbit freely without falling down to the Earth. LEO satellites are used for communication purpose and the International Space Station is also placed in low Earth orbit. Next is about GEO satellites. GEO means geosynchronous Earth orbit. GEO satellites are placed at a distance of 35,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. To avoid these satellites from falling down to Earth, satellites must travel at the speed of 3 kilometers per second. If it travels in this 3 kilometers per second, the satellites placed at this point will not be able to fall down to Earth. This GEO satellites takes 24 hours to orbit our Earth. These satellites are used for live telecast, television broadcast. By the help of these satellites, we can able to see the sports and games live. Next, let us see about MEO satellites. MEO means medium Earth orbit. These satellites are placed at distance between 6,000 to 20,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. MEO satellites takes 12 hours duration to orbit our Earth. MEO satellites are used of GPS map navigation purpose. So these are some of the main basic things about satellites that we all supposed to know about it. So please share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.